We are doing health enrollment sign-ups. We're talking enrolling people, not just giving them material. Today is the first day of the Affordable Care Act sign-up for 2015. Okay? So we have this lady, and we have other people that are signing them up in here. We also have people who will be helping people to get Medicaid if they qualify for Medicaid. Because remember, the state has expanded their Medicaid eligibility by 35%. So people might not even know that they now qualify. They're doing that here today. In addition, right over here, we're doing all the health screenings.
Okay.
We're starting here with our nurses, doing blood pressures, and they're also going to be doing glucose, because diabetes, as you know, is huge. And they're also going to be doing a BMI to measure and get a sense of, obesity and that kind of thing. This information will go with the Life Health Center. The Life Health Center is the brand new first integrated medical center in the community. It's located on Jessup Street, and they do integrated medicine, behavioral and mental health, along with physical health, along with specialty care, OBGYN.
So this health fair today allows the community to engage and be educated on many of the different services that are provided for them, and also to get information that they can take back and become a mentor and be someone that can evangelize in their own communities and tell people about the services that are available.